One of the craziest construction days we have seen at the stadium in recent weeks. Multiple compression ring boxes were lifted. Major progress continued around North Goal and South Goal. New sandwich panels appeared on the VIP ring, and the lighting installation kept expanding across the upper structure. We also got an important update regarding the delayed opening of the third tier, so let's go straight into all the biggest construction updates from today. An important update confirms official delays for the opening of the third tier sections. Originally, the plan was to partially open the lateral and tribuna areas of the third tier before the end of 2026. But the club has now acknowledged that the timeline has shifted due to multiple engineering modifications and structural adjustments during construction. A huge amount of work still remains unfinished inside the VIP ring. Second cantilever, access cores, escalators, tension systems, and circulation zones. The biggest update today comes once again from the compression ring near the south corner, where another new phalange was installed since yesterday's visit. The structure in this area keeps expanding piece by piece, and workers were visible directly on top of the newly connected sections, securing the steel elements together with bolts and connection plates. From this angle, the progress is becoming much easier to appreciate because the radial beams are slowly being connected one after another. The corner section is starting to look more complete every single day, and it now appears that 4 smaller phalanges will eventually connect the radial beams in this sector. Several lifting platforms were also active behind the structure while crews continued working on the rear steel connections. The pace here remains extremely impressive, especially considering how much activity is happening simultaneously around the upper ring. Moving down to the second cantilever level, there was a huge amount of visible work taking place across different sections. Workers were cutting construction blocks, preparing reinforcement areas, and continuing structural interior works beneath the third tier. A new wall section made from blocks is slowly rising in this area, and additional reinforcement structures can now clearly be seen behind it. This part of the stadium continues evolving step by step as crews prepare future interior spaces underneath the seating structure. Further along the cantilever, welding activity was visible with sparks coming from multiple work points, while operators continued securing steel elements across the platform. Several lifting platforms were also positioned directly beside the cantilever beams, where workers were attaching protective netting and carrying out additional support work. As the camera moved toward the south side of the stadium, more scaffolding activity could be seen near the upper structure. Some scaffold towers that had previously been removed now appear to be returning to the area as workers continue preparing different access points around the cantilever. The first cantilever level on this side looked slightly calmer today, but interior activity was still visible deeper inside the structure. Concrete pump equipment was also operating nearby, confirming that concrete work continues in several hidden sections around the stadium. At the same time, large quantities of sandwich panels remain stored near the lateral section, ready for future installation phases. Back on the exterior side of the compression ring, the newly installed phalanges near the south corner could be seen much more clearly. The smaller steel sections already positioned there strongly suggest that 4 phalanges will complete this connection zone between the radial beams. Although no new radial beams arrived in the corner today, the area remains fully prepared for upcoming lifting operations. Multiple lifting platforms and temporary supports continue surrounding the structure, while crews remain active around the rear beam sections. The ring itself is now becoming visually larger every day, and the amount of completed steel around the upper perimeter is growing rapidly. Another important update comes from the Llama support structures. Several workers were seen adjusting and aligning anchoring systems where future Llamas will soon be installed. Platforms were positioned directly beside the brackets while crews carefully aligned the metal guides and anchor points. Workers could even be seen manually correcting alignment positions to ensure the future Llama panels fit perfectly once installed. These preparation works are extremely important because every support needs to be completely aligned before the facade elements can be mounted. Although no new Llamas were installed in this specific sector today, many Llama sections are already prepared nearby, suggesting that installation activity will continue very soon. One of the most interesting visual updates today is the growing lighting system appearing above the Llama structures. More lights can now clearly be seen installed along the upper edge above the facade supports. Workers were also visible preparing additional sections for future lighting installation. Once completed, these lights will illuminate the Llama facade around the entire stadium and completely transform the exterior appearance during nighttime. This new detail adds another modern element to the project and shows that the stadium is progressing not only structurally, but also aesthetically. Moving toward the north corner, the construction site remained full of materials, steel components, lifting platforms, and active work crews. A radial beam was still positioned in the area with lifting slings attached, ready for future operations. Compared to previous days, there was slightly less heavy movement in this sector today, but work continued around the upper steel structure and facade preparation areas. The false ceiling sections around this corner also continue progressing. More Llama sections have already been installed along the frontal areas while rear sections remain under preparation. Although the lifting platforms used for Llama installation were mostly inactive during this moment, the area clearly remains one of the busiest construction zones around the stadium. Painting activity was visible in multiple sectors today, especially around the north side and the mobility core areas. Workers were actively painting large steel beams and support structures before future facade installation continues. This phase is essential because many structural areas need to be fully treated and finished before additional Llama supports and exterior elements can be installed. Several beams near the cantilever brackets have already been completed, while lower sections still remain unfinished and will continue progressing in the coming days. The amount of completed painted steel is becoming much more noticeable now across different sections of the stadium. A very important update appeared near the north corner where new Llama support structures were installed since yesterday. 4 new support connections can now clearly be seen attached near the bracket area. This is another strong sign that facade installation work is accelerating around the stadium. Large stacks of additional supports are already stored nearby, ready to be installed over the next days. The preparation for future Llama installation is now spreading quickly around multiple sectors simultaneously. The tribuna side of the stadium was extremely active today with cranes, trucks, workers, rock wool material, lifting platforms, and facade preparation works visible everywhere. More sandwich panel progress could also be seen around the exterior structure, while workers continued handling large tube sections behind the cantilever brackets. These tubes are part of the hidden support systems that will later sit behind the Llama facade. The amount of simultaneous activity in this sector was massive, showing how many different construction phases are now overlapping at the same time. The lateral mobility core continues steady progress with ongoing steel alignment and finishing works across the upper and lower sections. Workers are actively painting and refining the steel beams while additional tube connections and support elements are being installed behind the cantilever structure. At the same time, adjustment works are still in progress to ensure all anchoring points are perfectly aligned before the next construction phase. The final corner of the compression ring is still in a preparation phase with no major new beam installation today, but several Llama support points have recently been added near the bracket area. Workers are actively using lifting platforms to fine-tune alignment and anchoring systems so everything is properly set for upcoming facade installation. The overall progress across the stadium continues looking extremely positive. The compression ring keeps expanding section by section. More Llama supports are being installed. Lighting systems are starting to appear, and painting work continues advancing around multiple structural areas. With so many active work zones operating simultaneously, the project is clearly moving into another major phase of development, and the next few weeks should bring even more visible transformation around the entire structure. That's it for today's construction update. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next update.